Hey guys, I'm back again with another tutorial and exercise on CodingBat. We're going to do a Python example again on a Warmup1. Let's do one of the exercises again. Let's do Missing-Char for which is missing character. So given an empty string and an int n as an integer, return a new string where the character at the index n has been removed. The value of n will be valid index of a char in the original string, and will be in the range 0 to length of the string minus 1 inclusive. So what this means, let's say a function of missing character is given with a string with the string kitten and with the number 1. So what this means, so if you know about indexes, each of these values are index, counting as an index. So this would be index 0, this would be index 1, this would be index 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if the integer is given as 1, it's going to be index I. So here, if you look at the result, there is no I. And same thing with this one. If the index of 0 is given, so k will be removed, as you can see. And same thing in here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So e will be removed here. So how we can possibly solve this? It's just that we can create a variable. Let's just do like first variable. So in this one, we can just possibly have our string, and from the indexes. So if we put this column and then put the value, so it's going to count from anything that's starting up to the integer end. So let's say it's going to start anything here. Let's say if, for example, we have our n as 2, so this is going to be 0, 1, and then up to 2. So 2 is now basically will count. So now let's do another one. Let's do final, for example, the string. So for this one, we want to have from n, not specifically n, because we already mentioned, so it will go up to n. So sorry, it will go up to n. So we want to add 1 to it, to the infinity, like not to the infinity, but to the end of the string that is given. And then how we can possibly have this, we can just do, so we don't want n, sorry, so we don't want n. So it's going to be, if we do a return, we can possibly do first plus n. So pretty much we're going to escape n because we don't want the n. So anything from the beginning until the end, and then 1 after the end, from 1 after that integer to the end of it. So from beginning to the end and not counting n, and then from 1 after the end up to the end. So if you put final, this would possibly work out. Let's see if this code will actually works. Okay, as we see, this code is also valid. So thank you for watching this quick tutorial on Python and CodingBat. If you like this video, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video.